Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering your source media and tools. Pick a 1080 x 1920 video or looping GIF because resolution matches most Vivo phones and prevents scaling artifacts. Once done, install Vivo's Live Wallpaper Maker or KLWP from the App Store. You need the app to package motion assets into a live wallpaper. Make sure to back up your home layout and note lock screen options so you can revert if the wallpaper changes icon placement or performance. This preparation saves time and avoids surprises later. You now import the trimmed clip into the Wallpaper app and set it to loop. Shorter, 5 to 15-second loops conserve battery and look seamless. Next, configure playback settings, autoplay, loop mode, and speed at 1. 0 for natural motion, or slightly slower for subtle effects. Make sure to crop to the phone's aspect ratio to avoid black bars, and lower bitrate or resolution if the preview drops frames. This keeps the live wallpaper smooth and responsive on Vivo hardware. You finish by exporting the project as a Vivo Live Wallpaper package and give it a clear name so you can find it later. Then apply it from Wallpapers Live and test both home and lock screens while monitoring battery and performance for a few minutes. If you see lag, quick troubleshooting steps include lowering export resolution, disabling autoplay, or clearing the app cache. And if that fails, recreate a shorter loop. These fixes address common decoding or memory issues on Vivo phones.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.